Street lamp bleeding through the blinds. 4 a.m. and still awake inside. Your last voicemail loops again, like it never learned to end. Cold floor underneath my feet, tiny fractures in the sink. Everything feels paper thin since the night you pulled me in. I hear your heartbeat in the wires, running underneath the silence. Every thought bends back to you, like my mind got rewired to white noise, kissing my pulse. Every time your name erupts inside my bloodstream like a flood, too intense to turn off. Lights bend, skin sparks, your touch glowing in the dark. We keep breaking just because. White noise kissing my pulse. Kissing my pulse. Your jacket still hangs by the chair, holding traces of your air. I swore I finally let go, still your gravity says no. Half my friends stop checking in, tired of hearing where you've been. But every little thing you do still rearranges every phone. No sleep, no calm, just your voice inside my arms. Every second stretches wide, like the night forgot the time. I know this kind of love corrodes, still I let it overflow. Every warning disappears when your body gets this near. White noise, kissing my pulse. Every little touch erupts, turning all my careful trust into something dangerous. Heart shakes, eyes blur, whole sky folding from the hurt. Still I want another rush. White noise kissing my pulse. White noise kissing my pulse. Maybe some connections stay long after they should decay. Maybe certain kinds of heat never fully leave the skin. And even if you disappear, part of you remains in here, like static trapped beneath the bone, making silence feel less cold. White noise kissing my pulse. White noise kissing my pulse. Now the whole world opens up, every wound turns into light when your shadow moves inside. Hands cold, stars spin, your memory breathing through my skin. We keep glowing through the cuts. White noise kissing my pulse. Morning swimming through the room, dust floating inside the blue. And for one suspended breath, everything feels weightless again.